Now I always get guys emailing me and asking me, how do I not feel like I'm doing the same dance moves all night? Well, this is the secret. Learn more dance moves. I'm just kidding, maybe. But seriously, if you want to dance all night without feeling like you're doing the same dance moves over and over, then this tutorial was made for you. I'm going to show you 3 techniques that you can use to start creating variations with your dance moves. This way, you don't have to feel like you're doing the same dance moves all night. Now, if you want to pick up and master these variations and other basic dance moves, then check out the program on my website. That being said, this is Brian B, your living room dance teacher. Let's get into the tutorial. The first concept here is doubling up the movement. So let me show you an example. If we're doing the regular pivot bounce, it's going to look like this. So what happens when we add in the doubling up motion? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. So what's happening here is instead of bouncing 2 times each side, I'm bouncing once, doubled up, and then the other side once, doubled up. So we go boom, 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 and boom, 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 and boom. Okay, so it creates that nice variation. All right, so you can put this concept, you can use this concept with really any dance move out there. So for example, if we're going to do a hip hop down bounce, we can go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. If we add in the doubled up motion, it's going to look like this. 1, 2, doubled up. 1, 2, doubled up. 1, 2, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so it creates that nice variation. The next thing you can do is add in the levels. So the levels are different levels with your, well, upper body. So if we're doing the regular up bounce, we can do this. Boom, 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 boom. Now, once we add in the levels concept, we can do something like this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so adding in the different levels with the upper body, and that allows us to create even more variations. Of course, you can combine this concept with other dance moves. So you want to do a little bit of experimenting and try it out with other dance moves. All right, moving on to the last concept. This one is altering the speed dance moves. So usually you would want to speed the dance moves down a little bit. So instead of doing it for 2 counts, you probably extend it out to 4 counts. So let me show an example. So let's say we're doing the Bart Simpson step touch, which looks like this. Boom, boom, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So instead of doing them on 2 counts, I can slow it way down so it looks like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Back to real speed. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so I'm playing around with the speed, extending the time that it takes for me to do the dance move. Another example with the speed, I can be doing the pivot bounce, which goes boom, 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 and boom. If I slow it down, it's gonna turn into something that looks like this. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so same dance move, but the entire tone of it changes because I've slowed it down. Okay, so that is pretty much it for the tutorial. If you found it useful and you want to pick up and master some of these basic dance moves, then check out the program on my website. This is Brian B, your living room dance teacher. I'll talk to you soon.